Guys, today our topic is about Inverex XPpro, and the fault is we have no any fault because the inverter is completely silent. Okay, I am providing the power supply, and now we are going to troubleshoot this issue. Don't worry, this is the capacitor charge. First I need to start from 0 volt and smoothly increase. Okay, okay, I provide power supply. Oh, it's on now. What, man? Now not turning on. I think the issue in the power switch, but I am removing the top core to troubleshoot this issue or fault, whatever. Okay, now we need to remove this 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am getting parts box. Okay, we need to Phillips screwdriver. Okay, one screw I remove, and this is the second screw. Welcome, welcome. Sorry. Welcome to new viewer. Welcome to N. Okay, we have another 5th screw in the center. Okay, now we need to remove the top core. So here are some hooks. So we need to oops, man. Okay, does not matter. The bench is completely isolated and protected. Okay, with all protected devices. This is the electronics bench, and sometime we're looking for sparks. Okay, now don't apply the force, and first we need to remove this power switch strip. Okay, apply a little bit force. If remove, it's okay. If not removing, so it's mean here are some glue. Okay, now we need to remove the input and output strips. So here are another strip. First we need to remove this, and after this is the LCD strip. Okay, and now this is the output line, and this is the output neutral. Okay, we remove the top core. I think the issue in the switch panel. So first we need to install the manual set switch to confirm this. The issue in the switch are in the power circuit board. After that we need to clean all the PCB. This is the PCB condition. I think the liquid, and what is The solar charge controller, I have no found any component. Look at, man, this is the workshop. Unqualified electronics engineers, just empty PCB I found. Okay, so first we need to check just and confirm the switch panel. Okay, so I am providing the power supply. Okay, this is the current limited power supply, and now we need to on the power switch with our manual switch. So first we need to confirm the switch panel. Okay, okay, if we don't have a icon or symbol for switch, how we can find the switch panel? I am showing you. Okay, set your multimeter on DC voltages, and if the system is 24 volt, so we need in the switch panel the pin number 1 and the pin number 3 24 volt, or we provide voltages we need here. So it's mean this is not the switch panel. Okay, after that another step is here. Okay, okay, it's mean this is our switch panel strip. Okay, but here is a lot of dust and some liquids, so I am installing the switch. No. Okay, the second method is, oh man, here is a broken strip I saw. Okay, first we need to remove the power and discharge capacitors. Okay, and now I am cleaning this strip. This is broken, the one pin is broken. Okay, just the issue is the pen are create a lot of noises. Okay, so first we need, sorry man, here are very cold weather. So first we need to remove this PCB from main circuit. Okay, remove this strip and this strip, and after that we have two screws here. Keep all the screw in the one box. Okay, and here is two screws. I am also repairing Lio. Okay, and I think this is a short Lio because after that we need to clean this main board from dust and liquid. Okay, and this is the oily dust. Now to clean our bench. Okay, and this is just what, oh man, look at the condition. I think here is the acids, lead acid from flooded batteries. I am cleaning this. Why they install this empty PCB for what? I don't know. This is the empty PCB. Here we need to wash the board. Okay, I just clean with the hard brush, but now we need to clean with the thinner for best result. Okay, so here I keep the plastic sheet for protecting my bench from the liquid. And after that, you can wash in this a little bit hard plastic brush. Okay, apply some thinner on the board PCB. Okay, now I am cleaning or washing. Here is a lot of some liquid and dust. Man, I first time looking this thing like this. What is this? Okay, some area are clean. Welcome. Okay, now we need to clean this like this. After this, we need to completely wash. Okay, I am removing this with a hard brush. Here we have no any component, just we have a dust and acids. So I am using this brush. Okay, because this is the disable PWM charge controller. No any component here. Okay, just using for these lines. Okay, after this inverter we have a lots of more inverters. Okay, Growwatt SPF 3000 TL to repair and much more inverter, but now the turn of this inverter, so I am repairing now this. What is this? I think this is the lead. This is the acid. Yes, this is the acid. This is the flooded battery acid. After that, we need to provide a green mask again. Okay, for PCB line we need to solder this. Okay, and after that we need to again apply a green mask, and after the repairing we need to give advice to the customer for keep safety for this inverter. Okay, I remove this. Now here is some more acids. Now this PCB is just using for this main connections. Okay, just for battery and switch connection. Okay, some is here. How they remove a lot of SMD component. Okay, now the turn off this side. The microcontroller prints are completely damaged. Okay, now I am completely wash. Okay, outdoor. Need to remove this thing. Okay. Okay, finally I washed it outdoor. Okay, and now we need to dry this PCB with hot air. Okay, set your hot air gun temperature on 100 degree. Okay, as you can see, the first condition before and now after, and now I am applying a green mask on this. Okay, and here we don't need. Okay, we need to trace just the power switch line. Okay, this is the power switch strip. Okay, now I am searching for switch strip here. I think the power strip switch line is coming from this main strip, and this strip is, this jack is damaged. Okay, I'm searching for this jack. I have not found now. Okay, so we can prepare this. Okay, first we need to clean. Okay, and after the soldering we need to apply a green mask. Okay, so I have, but not this angle shape. Where is my nib? Yeah, okay. Get some sharp iron. Okay, another tip I found. This is the teeth fix. Okay, we need to remove this dust. Okay, because in this solar inverter and thousand of multiple components and strips etc, so now I have not, because this is first time I saw this issue. This was my first time and 4 years repairing of this advanced solar inverter. Okay, finally we clean. Okay, now we need to apply some thinner. and clean with a little brush. Here is my little brush. Okay, here. Oh, okay, now we need to clean and solder this, or if we remove this pin completely, but we have not. Okay, we can this. I am removing this pin, this damage pin. Okay, I'm trying from this side. Oh man. Okay, need to remove this cut. Okay, this pin is cut. Okay, and the second we need to clean with this sharp nib. Or engraving, if you have engraving tool, so you can engrave this for soldering. Okay, now we can solder this. Okay, I am changing the tape. Install a sharp tip. And now I am soldering first this pin. And then okay friend, we need to remove this pin. Okay. Oops, here is a lot of more assets. What the issue in this inverter, man? What is this? Okay, this line, this is the three pins jack. Okay, and this left side pin, as this track is coming directly to this jack, so we need to remove this pin. Okay, but I think this is okay. First I am removing the plastic. Okay, and now we need to clean this. Okay, our 2 pins is okay, but we have a issue just in a 1 pin. Okay, now we need to remove this pin. Set your soldering iron on 350 degrees centigrade. But here is a lot of acids. Okay, finally I remove the pin. Okay, and now we need to check the PCB print status. What is the condition or status of PCB? Okay, now I am trying to scratch this for best soldering. Okay, we need to scratch more area for best soldering. Okay, finally I solder. We clean for soldering. Okay, and now I need to a pin for this. So I have a male header. Okay, I'm just checking. Okay, this is the male header. Okay, as you know, so I need to cut this 1 pin. Okay, and now I need to remove this. Okay, sorry man. Okay, now we need to remove this plastic. Okay, keep tight. It's hard to remove. I need to cut this plastic. Okay, I cut it now. Okay, finally we get the same pin for this female jack. Okay, now we need to bend with the same angle. Okay, okay, finally I bend. Okay, on the 90 degree. Okay, and now we need to put in this and solder this. Okay, Okay, I put in this, and now I am sitting with the same position of other, but we need to solder this because the bottom side in the solder. Okay, now we need to set this on the position first. Approximately after. Okay, finally we remove this, so we need to clean proper now. Okay, okay, we clean this. A little bit dust, not, we cannot more. And now okay, we need to more, we need to more some. Okay, we need to sit on the position. That's okay. Set the pin. Okay, 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 that's it. And now we need to apply a green solder mask. Okay, and now the video is going to interesting. This is the green mask. Okay, so first we need to apply and this, but first this we need to check another two connection. Okay, the second is coming here, and now we need to check the third point from where they're coming. The third in a little bit in confusion, so I am closing. Okay, now we have to trace this with the continuity mode, but we can find easily in the on the continuity, but we need to check for best repairing because we don't need after some days they come again for repairing. Okay, so I am rotating my mobile phone. Okay, no, no man, it's not set. Okay, I need to zoom out. Okay, The first is already confirmed. Okay. Oh man, from here coming. The first is connected with the first. Here is now no any continuity. So this is the simple thing, and why? I think this line is coming to here. Okay, the first continuity is confirmed, and this is the second. The second is, I think, coming here. Okay, the second is confirmed, and now the third we need to check the continuity. Oh no, we don't have any continuity. Okay, so we need to check this. The first was with the positive, and the second is we need to connect the battery negative. So here we have continuity, and we don't need to any continuity because and the issue is just in this switch, power switch circuit. First we need to solder properly this pin, and we need to jumper from negative or positive, but first we need to confirm. Very bad condition repairing. Okay, one thing I am showing you for this condition. Okay, you need to this soldering plugs, take a screenshot. Okay, if you need. Okay, and now look the magic. Apply some flux. I am keeping on the side my multimeter. Apply some flux on this pin. Okay, and keep the soldering iron tip on this. Okay, so this stain or acid is easily you can remove with this flux, but this is the very powerful acid, very hard, as you can see. This pin is solder. Okay, but still we have an issue. Now we need to connect this pin with the negative or positive. I am confirming again. So our first pin our first pin is connected with the battery positive, okay, and we need to our third pin is connected with the negative, and this is the battery negative, and here is now a 545 ohm continuity. So the final solution we have just to provide a jumper, okay, and okay, we connect. This is our last connection pin, okay, but if we solder this on this side, this is the bottom side, so we need to connect this wire on this side, okay, we need to connect this with the battery negative, okay, and here is the negative connections, okay, so here we have a solder mask, so I am cutting this on this, okay, and now I'm soldering with this negative, battery negative, okay, okay, and finally we need to check the continuity, okay, the middle is we need to connect in this, and still we have not, why man, no any continuity found. Oops. Okay, I am removing this wire. Why then now continuity and this? This is the confusion. Okay, this is already connected with the 623 ohm, but we need no any resistance, so I am connecting here again, okay. Now we need to confirm the middle pin, okay, and the middle pin is coming here on the pin number 2, yeah, pin number 2. So why we don't have a continuity is the issue from this, why man, Yes, we have a continuity. Okay, but okay, our circuit is ready, our switch panel is ready. Now we need to provide this green solder mask for protecting this PCB. Okay, provide some green solder mask. Okay, here and here. Oh, here I apply a lot. Okay, so I need to remove this part, this. Okay, and here we need to solder this again. Okay, okay, and now we need to a thin layer. Okay, just for protecting of humidity, weather humidity. Okay, here we have a lot. Okay, now we need to provide ultraviolet LED. Okay, okay, I'm connecting to the power. Okay, it's enough. Now you can see. Okay, we have a little bit to it, so we need to apply more light. Okay, now then try. Okay, so now we need to protect this area with green mask. Okay. Okay, now we need to provide the ultraviolet LED. Okay, now I am guiding you what the rules of this power switch with 3 wires. Okay, the center is the selecting wire, okay, the selecting point, and once the center pin connect with the negative, so in this condition inverter is got are going to the off condition, and when you off this type of switch, okay, and when you off the switch, now this is the on condition, okay, and when you off your switch, so the middle point, the middle pin is connected with the negative, and when you on your switch, in this case the middle pin is connected with the positive voltage. In this condition your UPS or solar inverter is on this type of switch, okay, 3 wires. Now in the new technology, in just a 2 wire switch, just as a simple switch, okay. So now we need to clean this and provide a new solder mask, okay, here. Here. So first we need to apply this paste on this copper area, okay. I'm changing the tip, okay. And now okay, now we need to clean again with the thinner. Okay, now I am soldering this. Boost your soldering station, okay. And first solder this properly and just wait, okay. Don't your review in your heart or in a comment section. Once I complete, after that you can give your review in your mind or in comment section, okay. We need to remove this, okay, from this, and after I am telling you, okay, we need to solder with this side. Okay, so as you can see, they cannot catch the solder up. Okay, hold the solder. Okay, so we need to apply more this type of soldering plugs. Okay, this is the best thing for these conditions, stain or acid or rust. Okay, now I am providing the solder. Now check. Okay, finally this is 2, we need to refresh. Okay, or resolve. And now just for this shock. Okay, the solder is now here, and after that, okay, you need to use a desoldering wick. Okay, for surfacing, to remove the extra solder. Okay, now I am cleaning, and you need to check what does I am before and after. Okay, now check closely. Here is we missed some area, but our needed area is this. Okay, and now you can see. Okay, after that we need to this side. Okay, we already solder this side, but we need just to remove the extra solder. Goes to your soldering station. First we need to provide some solder here. Here we missed some area. Okay, after that we need to remove again extra solder. Okay, boost your soldering station. Okay, now I need to clean. I am cleaning and showing you. Okay, now this is okay, and we no need for more work. Okay, now first use and now okay, now I am installing this to the inverter, and after, okay, I am zooming out the camera, right? Okay, once we install this and the inverter is one time on, so after that we need to clean all the inverter from dust, and we need to man- maintain the fan because the fan is started a lot of noises. Okay, now I am connecting the connection with the help of screws. Okay, this two screw is now important for checking. Okay, and one is here we need to install. Okay, and two we need to install here. From a scale 1 to 10, how hard is it to repair? This is thing you are working on. Shoizan, Shoizan, thank you. Guess we'll never know. Thank you, brother. Thank you for all. Okay, I am live for your help. Okay, and what type of solder do you use? Man, I am using. Okay, are you here now? I am removing my. Okay, I have a simple. Wait. I have a empty roll of this solder. If we have a specification, this type of solder I am using. Okay, 0.8 mm, but here we cannot more specification. I think this is the 70 and 30. Okay, 0.8 mm, and you can order from this website. Okay, I am connecting another device to look on the chat because people are questioning and I am busy in my work, so I need to find my channel and my live. Okay, I am here just. Okay, now I find my live and once the play. Okay, live chat top messages. Now how can I see the live chats with. Okay. Ahmad Nogir, where are you from, brother? Brother, I am from the Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. The Penguin scored 1984. What type of loss? Oh, okay, I already told you. From scale 1 to 10, how hard is it to repair this? Thank you, man. Thanks again. Okay. Okay. Now, this is our switch panel. Okay. And a person remove the second pan from this inverter and they don't know about this microcontroller, but I think this man purchase this inverter and scrap and give me to repair, but I can. Okay. Now I am providing the power supply to the inverter. Okay. Man. Okay, now I am reading the voltages. Okay. I am keeping my expensive multimeter in this scrap inverter. Okay. Here we need a voltages, a provided voltages at. Okay. So we have on the left side positive voltage. Okay. Now I am connecting the positive voltage with the middle pin. Okay. That's okay. Now I am connecting the switch. My switch is broken, but I always forgetting this to connect this. And if you want to how you make this switch, so I am in this live, I can just give your review. If you want to learn to make this type of switch for easy use, okay, on off, just comment. Okay. Now as you can see, this is the three wires. Okay, this is the three wires, and here we are, we can look. Okay, in one side red, and the middle black white, and other is black. The white is once connect in the red, so now it's depending on the jack. Here is our system in the reverse polarity, so we need now to connect the white wire with the black, because here is other technology, reverse engineering. Okay, now I am connecting. Okay, connect, man. Why? Right. Okay, my DC power supply is off. Now I connected, and now I am connecting the switch. As you can hear the sound, okay, the inverter is start properly. Okay, but the fan is creating a lot of noises. but this inverter have already, okay, now the inverter is warning this pin. Now I am worried about where is the second pin of this inverter. Okay, now the inverter is ready, okay, for use, but we need to more work in this. Okay, I am checking the voltages of output here, one connector, and here second. As you can see, 230 volt. We need to reverse the multimeter polarity. Okay, that's okay. Our inverter is on properly, but now we need to remove all this dust. Okay, and now we need to check the charging. Okay, bad. Okay, I need to remove the switch and provide the DC power supply first. And now I am providing the AC power to the inverter. Okay, inverter is sense the power. Yes, this is okay. We are providing the 29.1 volt DC voltages. Okay, I am removing the DC power now. Okay, I remove, and the UPS is providing 29.28. Okay, so our inverter is ready, but just we need to clean this. So this is one up model, and now I am just cleaning the inverter and close. Okay, but one thing is now in the confusion, where is the second pin and why? Oh, here I found a man who hacked the MCU, a man who connect a feedback voltages from one to another pan. This is the repairing masters. I found I found I found that finally. I was confused how this UPS not showing the fan error or fault. This is fan. Okay, I am getting a wooden stick, not conducting, because here is the inverter is start. Okay, this is the pen one strip, and this is the pen number 2 strip. What they use magic, they use, this is the middle in the pen is the feedback. Okay, they connect the feedback with this pen. Already, as you can see, the negative connect with the second negative pen, and the positive connect with the second positive pen, and just they provide jumper to another feedback network. Wow, man, what the magic. But I not accepted this. Okay, I need to remove this illegal work. Okay, because I am now on the top and this inverter repairing. Okay. And and our tomorrow live project is this. This is the Growart SPF 3000 TL. This work of Lio I I have in my channel, okay? And you can watch how to repair Growart SPF 3000 TL, okay? With this name, with this title, I have in my channel this work video, okay? And tomorrow, if God will, we need to repair this in live stream, okay? Okay, now I am removing the AC power. Okay, the inverter is now silent, and now I need to clean this, and you need to down your phone volume or tablet volume or because here is starting a lot of noises. Down your volume, okay? I am warning you because 3, 2, 1, down your volume. Oh, some viewer are leave the live. First, I warn you, down your volume. But when I saw something, why I am not muting my mic? Okay, no need to next time down your volume. Okay, here I found a muting option. Okay, and now sorry for this. Okay, here we got now a clean. Okay, we already repaired this with the proper work. Okay, and now we need to just install a second pen. Okay, with follow the company rules. Okay, not like this. Okay, I am removing this. Now I am checking the first pan after the cleaning. The nicest reason is the dust or the ball bearings is damaged. I am confirming. Okay, and manual. Oh man, why again and again tripping my breaker? Because here is a crocodile clamps are connecting again and again. Now I am connecting this with a wood. Okay, because I am applying the power from here, and okay, yeah, this pen is damaged, the ball bearings. Are you hearing the noises? Okay. This is a star key. I make this my own. Okay. But it's still working, okay? This is the screw type. Star, hexa star. No. Hexa star? What you saying, man? Yes. Hexa. Hexa star. Just check. Okay. This pen was damaged. Like this. Look at. Okay. This is the used computers pens. Okay. You can check on the Google this pen price. Okay. They already use 10 years approximately, but still they performance well. And I am using this. Okay. And this is more expensive for me with compare the new fan, because in this pen we have a double ball bearings. Okay, ball bearings. And when I am purchasing from market here, and I am showing you what's the difference. Here is also available this type of pen. Okay, this pen have internal bush. Okay, single bush. single brass bush. And this is, now I am starting, and this pen have a double ball bearings. Okay, I am using this from 3 years, and never again I receive this pen problem. And I purchase in the bulk this, and searching for new more pens of this type, because this quantity is going to decreasing. Why? This is removed from old computers, and you can check the brand and the license and everything. Now I am just checking as this pen can accept this CPU or not, because the feedback voltage is the same, but I am in a little bit confusion about this CPU MCU. Okay, I am cutting the wire from here, but if they cannot accept this pen, so this is already damaged, so we can cut here and throw in the scrap. And now I am showing you how you can properly solder this from the PCB, not in the joint. Okay, I can joint easily, but I am teaching you how you can joint this wire with the direct PCB. Okay, first you need to get a little piece of paper tape or plastic tape, what you have. Okay, and hold this stacker temporary with the body. Okay, now you can easily, does not matter I keep, but it's not a good work. Okay, I need to zoom my camera. Okay, and now this is our targeted area. I need to focus my phone. Okay, and now I am working here best. Sorry, I touched my head with my mobile phone. Nearly I am getting a high quality camera to install with the distance of minimum 1.5 meter. Okay, and zoom in and zoom out with the remote control. But this is my temporary videos and audios. I am very excited for live stream, and here I not found in my city cameras and audio system, because I am living in the center of hills and mountains and rivers. And now here the temperature is, I am using 400 watt heater and closed area, and now here is the temperature is 18 degrees centigrade, and I wear a sweater, okay, or jersey, anything. I don't know about the proper name of like this, Okay, first you need to remove this hook, okay, or grip. I don't know about all the things name, okay. I learn well of SMD components, okay, like MCU, auto couplers and resistors and capacitors and much more, but I don't know about this hooks or what the name and what the model number, okay. I always just focus on my work. And now you need to mark, okay, you need to mark. Here we have a white color wire, okay. So already our tape color is white, so here we need to mark like this, okay. In the middle is the white color, and now we have a black color marker, okay, or right B, okay. So I am here symbol of black, okay, and already here is remain the red, but I am just teaching you, okay. Now you can remove all the wires, okay, because you mark. Remove one by one wire carefully, okay. Don't touch other component, okay. I am focusing some time on camera and some time on soldering, okay. Now we have the inverter on strip, so I already solder this. We need to cut the extra, okay. Just leave 2 mm or 1.5 mm, okay, and extra you need to cut. Now we already marked the white color is our feedback wire, okay. Now we need to remove a little bit this shrink tube, okay, like this, and you need to cut this piece, okay. Now we have a proper length. Now I am soldering with a thin tip, okay. This type of tip is the best for this type of soldering, okay. Now we need to first solder an UPS pen model is yellow color for the feedback, okay. So we need to solder this on here on the white color, okay. And now we need to solder black in the middle, because we have the black in the middle are in the center, okay. And the third we have a red, okay. So we need to solder this on red, okay. Number third. Now I am soldering, okay, it's solder proper. And now you need, okay, first we need to install this hook, but this hook, okay, I am trying, but this hook is made or make for a thin wires, okay, so we can't use for these wires. Okay, so here we have for safety this area. Okay, so we need to keep in this safe area. Okay, first you need to put the yellow, and after that you need to put the black color. Okay, and now push this with plastic or wood. Okay, do not use metal here. Okay, and now we need to put the red. Okay, now we need, okay, we properly put the wires. Okay, and now remove the tape carefully like this and install. Okay, now this is our proper pen, but I am a little bit confused about this pen. Now I am testing this inverter supporting or past this pen or not, passing this pen or not. Okay, I am providing the power. Okay, I provide the power. Now I am turning on the inverter. And I need to create my switch again, because again and again install the strip to the inverter. Now this is the pen. Okay, we need to some time or pass the pen. Okay, wool sweater, thank you, you are Adamas, thank you man, thank you for teaching, and I learned the name. Thank you man. You type this comment on 1:50 p.m. and now I am replying with the voice after 8 minutes. Sorry man for late reply with the voice. But I have a glove so I can't type. Okay, now the 100% confirming this pen, we need to remove this pen strip. Okay, I am removing. Okay, now the inverter need to show the fan error, as you can hearing. Okay, the inverter gone to the fault. Okay, now I am sure this pen is acceptable for this inverter. Now what I need to do, a man who bypass or hack the MCU to install the one, humans are hacking the machines, and the machine are makes for humans help and per human lightning. What people working for what purpose, man? I am here working for my expenses and to provide a best service to pupils, okay, to humans per lightning. But I don't know what the people of this type who have a lot of knowledge, because this is not the working of not trained electronics repairing person, okay, this is well trained this person, but they don't want to use or spend more money and inverters, because I am purchasing this use pen approximately 1 USD, okay, and now I am investing in this UPS, this inverter, 1 more USD for better performance and provide light to humans, okay. Okay, I am reading some comments. It's okay. I see you are busy repairing the pen unit. I am learning a lot from you doing inverter. Thank you, man. Thanks a lot. Are they modifying it so that they can get more power out? It even thought it may cause damage. Uh, no, you cannot modify it, because you can modify the DC to DC boost section, and you can modify it here from DC to AC section for more than output, but here the transformer we need to modify, but here we have not more area. I am showing you, but now I have not this type of board, okay. So now we have here a lot of rust. We need to clean this, okay. Believe on God, don't believe on money, okay, because we are human and God create already all the things for us. Then why people doing frauds, or I don't know, I can't more speak English because I am not an English speaker. I am just speaking a little bit English related with solar inverter. Otherwise I can't speak, so now I can't more speak about the people fraud, okay. I am a very poor man, okay, just earning in this type of works, okay. But I am doing my work properly with full immunity, okay. Sorry, man. And now I am spending one more USD, and this. Okay, I am teaching about the pen feedbacks. Okay, about the pen feedbacks. I am not here just for to repair the inverter. I am learning you the basics. Okay, so first we need to clean this, and I am teaching about the pens. Okay, the pen feedbacks voltage, how UPS detecting the same model pen. Now I am teaching you, okay, with broken English. Okay, now we need to, this is for my switch, but now I am using this for this. Okay, so first we need to measure if we connect in this area, so our length is not enough to properly fix in this area, as you can see. Okay, I am confirming again if possible. So it's our duty to install the wire properly here. Okay, we can, and we need to remove and install properly. Okay, now I am teaching about the pen. Okay, some type of solar inverters, need the feedback of 12 volt. The company provide the main power supply to the pen 12 volts, and the required feedback is the 12 volt. And this model's pen and this model UPS or inverter need a feedback approximately around 7 volts. Okay, now I am teaching about the feedback of pens. Okay, if I remove this white color wire, the inverter is gone in the fault mode, the fan fault mode. Okay, so now I am teaching especially for my this friend Yul Adamas. Your English is very good, and thank you for teaching. You welcome, man. Thanks again. I am speaking English approximately from 12 days ago. I never speak English in our daily life. Okay, but finally I decide I am going live and speaking English. Okay, and some months my English is strong, well strong. Okay, now I am getting some props for easy to learn you. Okay, purchase this type of props. Okay, and now I am providing the power supply to the pen. Okay, now I need to repair a lot of inverter, but I want to teach some people, okay, who want to learn the technology. Okay, this is the positive, okay, for operating, and this is for the negative voltages. Okay, and this is the output feedback. Now I am doing everything. Okay, or learn about the pens, feedback pens. Okay, color does not matter. Okay, just voltages matter. Our feedback, UPS or solar inverter can read the output voltages. Okay, not a color. So now I am providing the 12 volt, but my variable bench power supply is not constant because this is the electrical power supply. I am showing you. Okay, I make this with my own experience because first I was in electrical fields from 2005 or 2006. Learn. Okay, this is the servo voltage stabilizer. Okay, I install this switch. Okay, when I want to decrease the voltages, now you see. Okay, now here see to the voltage is downing. Okay, this is the capacitor voltages. Okay, and I install on the capacitor the load resistor. Okay, now if I want around a 12 volt. Okay, so when I press this, okay, so here now I am receiving a 14.3 volt, and if I want to 26 or 28 volt, this is the variable power supply. Okay, but this is not a constant. Okay, if I install the constant voltages with the help of SMPS, so the SMPS system is not good for repairing person. Okay, because the inverter is already have a lot of SMPS system. When you connect with the wrong or faulty inverter, so the power supply, constant power supply, can damage. Okay, so this is the technique you can make, and this is full isolated. Okay, why? First I install this is the primary coil is 110 volts. Okay, first I install, and this isolated variable bench power supply. First I convert the 220 volts to 110 volts with the help of this iron core transformer, this electrical transformer. Okay, this is not the electronics transformer like the high frequency transformer. This is the 50 or 60 hertz transformer. Direct you can connect with your electricity like this. Okay, and after that I isolate the servo voltage stabilizer primary and secondary coil. Okay, and when you isolate, so you need to provide this servo stabilizer voltage, you need to provide the 110 volts. Okay, and after that you need to install the bridge diodes. Okay, and some capacitors, and this is my own bench. Okay, but I am working well in inverters. Okay, so this is the power supply. In one day, if God will, I will share you a lot of this connection. Okay, now this is I install the power motor speed. Okay, if I want to quickly increase or decrease, so I can from here. When I provide the high voltages for the motor, so I can but this is my favorite speed. Okay, now I am providing the power supply around 12 volt. Okay, it's 11 12. Okay, but we need to check on the running load. Okay, now the power supply is not constant, so first we need to apply more than 12 volts. Okay, now I am providing the power supply. This is the positive and this is the negative. Oops. Okay, now we need to check. Okay, now my variable power supply is providing the 12.8 volt. Okay, now I am setting. Okay, now the 12.5 around. This is a little bit issue for me, but now I am teaching. No, otherwise I have not any issue. Okay, so you need to attach the positive wire. Okay, the positive probe of the multimeter with the positive power supply. Okay, and now okay, we are here. I have some issue. This probe is a little bit damaged and I need to purchase new online because here we not found this type of things. Okay, so first you need to check the main power supply required 12 volt. Okay, around 12 volt, but I have 12.5. So this is the negative voltage feedback. Okay, as you can see here is a 7 point some voltages. Okay, other feedback pen providing on this wire negative voltage 12 volts. Okay, so you need to install the 12 volt feedback pen. Okay, this is the pen feedback. Okay, so now we are receiving. You need to connect the positive probe of the multimeter with the positive power supply, and you need to connect the negative probe with the feedback wire. Okay, yellow or white or green or blue, it does not matter. The matter is just voltages. Okay, so now I am installing this pen to the inverter, and I already removed the hack. Okay, the person who was hacked the inverter are saving some money, but money cannot give you everything. Okay, and money cannot give a respect and personality. Then why people doing this type of works? Okay, I remove already the hack. Okay, now I am providing the power to the inverter with installing one fan. Okay, I am installing this one fan in the bottom jack. Okay, now I am providing the power supply. Why I am providing power supply voltage is 28? Because my uh, variable power supply is not constant. I use a lot of constant power supplies, but I can't the result. I can't get the result. And this is the electrical power supply. Okay, now we need to connect, because here we have a positive voltage and here we have a negative voltage, and the middle pin is the selector. Okay, so now we need to connect the white in and the black. Okay, now if we install this strip, so we need to turn on the inverter, and as you can see the inverter is start. Okay, now just looking. Okay, the inverter is now got in the fault. Why? Because I remove the hack. So now we need to install one another pen in this live stream, and this is the reason of my live repairing. Okay, people as people are people are just record a video and something show this is the reason of this part, but this is not my goal, and this is my uniqueness of my lives. Okay, I am the first person who repairing inverter in live stream. Okay, now I am connecting the wire with the same process. Okay, and if we have some new users, so I need to repeat this process. Remove this label. Okay, little bit, and install some paper tape. Okay, and now we have markers. We have here a white, so the white icon is okay, the middle in the white. Okay, the second is the black, we need to black. Okay, and the third is the red. Okay, red. This is our colors sequence. Okay, now we need to remove all the wires. First we need to remove this hook. Okay, remove this wire. Okay, and remove all the wire. Okay, provide some new solder. Okay, okay, now this is the wire. Okay, so first we need to confirm this with this strip. Okay, because some companies are make this with another direction. As you can see, the left side we have a red color, and the middle we have a yellow, and here we have a white. It's okay. And the right side we have with the same direction a black color. So we have here a black color. That's okay. Now we need to remove some shrink tube from this. Okay. Okay, gloves are best for this condition. Here you can use, if you have experience of sharp nib. Okay, I have already a gloves, but don't use this without gloves. Okay, like this. Here I does the mistake. The shrink tube is double. Okay. So I need to cut the extra. Okay, learn soldering. Okay, learn soldering tips. This is not just for the repairing inverter. Learn the soldering tips. Keep these wires are straight. Now I don't know about the finger names. Okay, keep this wire. Okay, and keep the solder in this finger, and here my this finger is disabled. Okay, and this is from childhood. Okay, not in the working. I both this finger I have disable. Okay, but I can solder without any crocodile clamp. Okay, first you need to separate with others and learn. Okay, how can I solder this? Okay, I can move everywhere. Okay, the solder wire. Now learn. Okay, remove the extra solder. Okay, and here this is the big soldering tip. Okay, noob phobia. I am telling you a little bit of my story. My father started this field in 1990. Okay, and I was born in 1989. Okay, and I come in this field in 15 years. Okay, and I am soldering desoldering from last 21 years. Okay, and I come just this in electronic speed from last 4 years. Okay, before in this I was just an electrical field, like making a new voltage stabilizer and old technology inverter like D1047 transistor and D313 transistor UPS, all type of UPS like Japanese green color body UPS. I also repaired, and we have a family of all in this field. Okay, and I want to share with you all of my experience. Okay, and I need to some learn from you. Okay, that's awesome. Keep it up. You seem very knowledgeable. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, so now we have a science. Okay, here we need to solder a black wire. I have a lot of knowledge about the SMPS, and I can create my own frequency and duty cycles. Okay, and I am showing you something about my experience now. Okay, I make my own Actio sales balancer, but I am telling you more story. I am showing you some unique thing. This is the Actio battery balancer. I create this at myself. Okay, in case I am overcharging this battery, and you just need to look this. Okay, what's going on this device now? This connector is connected with these two batteries. Okay, the one is going with the circuit breaker, and the second is I connected manually. First I installed the relays. Okay, like this, and this is the bench tip, not it. Okay, first I install this auto system. Okay, as you can see from here, I selected the 12 volts. As you can see, the first relay is operate. Okay, but this relay cannot support my amps now. And now if I choose the second one, this switch will automatically on. Okay, the second is on. It's mean now they providing me a 24 volts, and this is the third. Now operated the third relay. Okay, it's mean they're providing me 36 volts. Okay, and once I touch the last, okay, this is the red light on. They provided me the 48 volt, but this relay cannot enough for me. Okay, I used this approximately 2 months, and after 2 months this relay was damaged. After that I am using this wire manually, because here I not found a very powerful relays. Now this two batteries is connected with this connectors. Okay, and this is the bench tip. You can install this battery connector, install in the middle circuit breaker. Okay, and keep your battery in some distance. Okay, for better work, like that. Now I am charging these two batteries. This is the negative. I am providing my isolated power supply. Okay, now I am decreasing the voltage. This is the voltages and amps meter. Okay, now the power supply is providing the 5 amps to these two batteries, and you can see now this device is discharging this battery voltages and transferring to this batteries. Okay, if I decrease the voltages, as you can see, the all off. Okay, now I am increasing. First ICU. Okay, now check the quality of this device. Okay, the voltages is decreased. This is coming from the battery. Okay, but in this time I was no money to invest in this device. Okay, so I was waiting for earning the money to invest in this Actio BMS or cell balancer. Okay, This device is operating on 35 kilohertz. I create this PCB at my own like that. I remove a one pin from this PCB. This was my first driver circuit. Okay, I was installed this as UC3843 with the help of UC3843 and LM358 and some alert of this auto coupler for isolation. Okay, but why I am saying I am a poor boy? Because I have no cash money. We have a lot of property because we earn money, but we invest in property because we have a giant family and our old house is not enough for us. So we finally invest the earned money from 1990 to 2027. We invest all the money for the house, and after once we invest the money, after that here the voltage is enough because we was working the voltage stabilizers. Okay, and UPSs. So after once we invest the money in the house and the market, after that here is voltage problem finished. So we lost the 1990, from 1990 to 21/7 working, because now here coming the voltages. This is the normal voltages, as you can see, 215 voltages is coming here. So the stabilizer work is finished because now I am a poor boy. I am just repairing. Okay, and this was my experience. This is the active balancer. Okay, not the passive. And I have a complete schematics, and first I install here a computer for designing the PCB. But now I am just doing my work, not designing any PCB because I have not money to invest in product. Then why I am wasting my time in designing? So this was my story. Thank you for hearing. Okay, now let's come to our work. And one thing I forget, if this battery decrease voltages, so these three batteries sharing their voltage with this battery. Okay, this is another feature in this device. And auto cool system. Okay, I create with the hard any software I use. This is the 2 HDR heat dependent resistor. One here is installed and the second is here installed. Once they heat it, the heat sink, the fan is automatically started, and the second HDR per install per variable speed control. If the device is going more than heat, so the fan is more than and running in speed. Okay, I add all this future, but I was not money in this time. So let's get with our topic again. Thank you for hearing my story. Okay, you are a mad scientist. Yes, man. Thank you for meeting you. I am very happy to meet in this live stream some peoples of my choice. Okay, now I am removing the tape and I am placing again this label. Okay, and now we need to install I also liking this type of people who motivating you, not demotivating. Some people I found in yesterday live who want to demotivate me, but I am just focusing on my goal. But I am getting happy when I found like is like you, those type of people. Very sweet comment. You are mad scientist. No, I am Mad Max, madman. Who watched the Mad Max movies? Who was watched the Mad Max movies like in 21.5 Mad Max Fury Road? Whiteness, blood bank, whiteness. Okay, now I am providing the power. Okay, I install the both pens. Okay, now we have another strip to attach, but here is okay. I am taking a screenshot for this sweet comments because when the live stream ends, I can't see these sweet comments. So I am want to take a screenshot. But I don't know about my tab. How can I take a screenshot? One, two. Oh man. Okay, let's get again in the topic. Okay, we need to connect the black and yellow here. Okay, where is my switch? This was my switch. Okay, but I lost this side, so now I have not time for my this switch. Okay, after this live stream I can, and now this is a little bit work. Why am I not in this time? But here's we need to a lot of connection. Okay, wasting of your time, and I don't want to waste your time. Okay, because you are watching me and you don't leaving me, so I need to don't waste your time. Okay, I am just turning on the inverter. Okay, now we install the both fans. I am zooming out the camera. Okay, this is okay. Now the inverter is start, and the noise is coming from the high frequency transformer. Okay, not from the fan. A little bit the air sound. Okay, airflow sound, but the noise is coming from the transformer. and here is the time 2:45 p.m. Okay, and I don't do the lunch after this live stream. I want to go for lunch, and after the lunch I am coming back live with another topic and another UPS. Okay, so one inverter is coming just for maintenance and cleaning. Okay, but this is not for us best. Okay, the one is comes for fault troubleshooting. I am coming back in the live stream with this UPS of related the fault. Okay, and after that I told you already, tomorrow we need to repair the grow at SPF 3000. This inverter is in this condition. Okay, I complete remove the dip a lot of packages. Okay, and here is, as you can see, the L7805 is blasted. Okay, so we need to first check all the power supply without putting the control drive card, because this is very expensive. I ordered this and I received this. Okay, and tomorrow, if God will, we need to repair this in live stream. Okay, and this is the high quality of repairing. This is the next level repairing. Okay, now the inverter is start completely and I was remove the hack. Okay, so now I am closing this. I need to off the switch. Okay, the inverter is off, and now I am just take a photo from all your sweet comments, and thank you, thanks a lot. Because after ending this stream I can't see this sweet comments. Okay, I take a picture. Okay, and thank you for all of sweet comments and motivating me. Thank you for all. Take care, and I am coming live again with another fault or issue. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. God bless you.